how to install Python. Okay, open your Chrome, search. I'm using Windows. Python download. So it will come the first page, download Python. So here it will take you to download Python 3.11.1. This will not work for Windows 7. So for Windows 7 you need to go to a different version. So first, okay, let's assume that you are having Windows 10. So just click it, Python 3.11.1, show it in folder, downloaded folder, I have it. So get a refresh. Okay, so Python 3.11.1, I'll double click it. See, your thing should be include pip and documentation. Of course it should be there, and it is coming for me. So Windows 10 it will read by default, and Windows 3 this 3.11.1 this should be including this pip. I will need this pip later. And this is very important, add python exe2 path, check it, otherwise there will be some problems. Python executable command will not be in your command line, so definitely check it. Okay, then don't install customize, just install now, but after checking this add python exe2 path. So install now, yes. So okay, let's wait for a few seconds. This Python we need it for any programming course, and right now we'll be learning programming for intended to for physics students. So physics first year students in many universities including Calcutta, Vidyasagar, Kollani and Barasat. I think in North Bengal also have Python in their physics honors courses. So okay, wait for a few seconds. So it is installing Python 3.11.1. So we'll be doing a lots of interesting programming here, but we'll be starting from very basic. We started from this installing Python, so we'll learn from A, B, C, D. If you're any physics students at any standard wants to learn Python to solve physics problems and to have better understanding on physics concepts, so you must learn all the videos, must watch all the videos in this course. So we are just starting right now, so slowly I will upload basic Python videos there. So okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, almost done, almost done, almost done. Whew. Almost done. You can just forward the video for a few seconds, or can increase the playing speed, whatever you like. Okay, so we have finished the Python program installation, the basic Python. Where is it right now? This should be somewhere. Okay, if you click it, recently added this Python will be there. So it won't be there for every time. So you need to locate your installation. So this is Python 3.11. You will be starting this IDLE, this Python 3.11. We'll start this IDLE. So we'll do programming here. the IDLE, from Python IDLE, and we'll do lots of interesting things. Okay, this is focusing on just installation. You can search Python also there in the run command. So you search IDLE. IDLE is not coming. Okay, Python is not coming in the search. Okay, there might be some problem. Okay, but Python will be there, and sometimes Python may be there also. So it's depend on your computer setting. The search, I think it will come after next time I log in. But the Python should be in always your search Python. Mm, Python there. Okay, it didn't give me an option to include in the start menu shortcut. Okay, has it come? Not yet. GNUPLOT has already come. Not yet. Okay, that depends. Okay, so after I install Python in this way, I should run the command prompt and install numpy. That is for another video.